Points. Go to weekly. What happened in the weekly time frame? So in the weekly time frame, price form this weekly imbalance. Not get tapped yet. What happened to the left side? Price beautifully close above this value up. So the down liquidity going to be this for sure. This, and this for sure. There's going to be the low resistance liquidity run. So I like to see the price to reach at least this point, not this point, to this point, to this point. Yeah. But before that, after taking this high, I like to see what's happened, what's going to happen. So as of now, it's clears out this high. This value completely gets filled. Big displacement to the upside. Again, it's created a fair value gap. And what happened? This is the Friday candle, right? This last candle getting swept, close below, leave this fair value gap, and remain unfilled. Expand all the way up and sweep the high. Beautiful. Fine. So in high time frame, whatever according to high time frame, I need to be bullish or bearish. I need to be bullish. Market is completely bullish. It's break. Sorry. It's flip. Retest. Big displacement. And that's kind of good break. So once this fair value getting flipped, I can go for any kind of sell model from high time frame. Before that, I need to look for buy. Sorry, it's weekly, bro. It's not even daily. It's weekly. So this is a weekly candle. The weekly candle sweep the last week high, but fail to sweep the last week low. So we can target at least this low, right? Sweep the last week high, but not sweep this. But so we can target at least this and this point gonna be the target for the week. This and this going to be the target for this week, I guess. Last high getting swept is completely in rebalance this, okay? Getting swept. Like to see something target this. Yeah. It's daily. What happened? Price not even swept the high, not even swept the low, just wait for the daily candle to sweep any kind of daily high or daily low is important. So this is going to be the Friday high, Friday low. This is very important for me. And there is the weekly fair value gap aligned with this liquidity. And the high has been swept, so most probably this rebalance to the recent swing, but no when it's going to be. So I just marked out the high, DH daily high, DH so daily low. So this is what I'll put here. This is daily low, daily high. So if anything has been swept, we can look for some sort of small reversal, just 1:2. That's it. 4 hour, what I'm seeing here. Boom, 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 boom. Some sort of swing getting put off below. There is no fair value gap in 4 hours. Give me a sec, I'll be back. So this is the current swing after sweeping this high, big displacement to the downside. Price not even take any sort of liquidity in H4. Rebalance to this point, but I didn't see any kind of, I can't able to see any kind of fair value gaps here. So for our, I'm clueless. I don't have anything. I can't say anything. It's sweep, not take this low, but did take this low, and so yeah, something makes some sense. Let's see. So this is a daily high. Just wait for a daily high to take before we enter. Bro. I'm on. Sorry, forget. No. Good for you. So according to 1 hour, so these are all the low resistance liquidity run, but price just sweep this low, start to expand higher, and ran through all the fair value gaps. So according to this point, I can draw. Sorry. I can draw this fair value gap, right? Yeah, I can draw this H1 bullish fair value gap. So inside this range, I need to be bullish since the liquidity has been swept to the left side, so I can target some higher prices. If the price comes below this low, sweep the liquidity, I can look for some entry model targeting this size, daily high, Friday high. Great plan. This is gonna be H1 bullish fair value gap. Beautiful. So H1 bullish fair value gap, daily low, daily high. Yeah. So after that, I had to move to futures trading, like not a futures trading, just a Nasdaq that chat. Just draw this kind of things and just wait for the price to come to my willing PA, not willing PA, willing POI, point of interest. Super hard. Okay, so I have to wait until the price reach this point if I'm bullish, or else I just wait. I just need to wait this high to take in order to go for some sort of sell model to target this liquidity. That's it. I'm gonna sell here. I'm gonna buy here. That's it. This is my game plan. Let's see how it's gonna work. If I'm buy, this is gonna be my DOL. If I sell, this is going to be my DOL. My confident move. If it flip, then I can expect the price to reach this low. This gonna be the is yeah. It's a clear trend line. It's a clear low resistance liquidity and price will trend line draw on liquidity. So let's see, bro. In 1 hour, it's dumb clear. I just wait for the high to take. This is what I need to do every single day. Need to draw. My friend constantly insisted me to draw daily time frame, like daily high, daily low, sessions, London session, New York session. So those things give some sort of confirmation entry pattern to you. You're not even marking anything, bro. You have to wait for the daily high or daily low to sweep first before you engage in the market. If anything significant, like significant swing lows or swing highs, daily high, daily low, weekly low, if swept, if you get any sort of entry, you can go for an entry. targeting recent swings. I'm getting super cold here. I don't know why. Okay. So it's 15 minutes. It's a big swing. This is the current swing I'm currently in. And it's need of going up, 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 up. Just sweep this liquidity. Okay. This liquidity has been swept. So do I have any family up here? I don't think so. In 1 hour. Yeah. Kind of extreme family gap in this swing. It's kind of closable, but not displaced. Just reject. There is also no family gap. Yeah. It's rejected. Come all the way down. Is there any model in M15? Seems like a structure shift. No, bro. Price keep on going higher. So this is the last swing. This is the last swing high. So I didn't see anything here. I do have a 5 hour gap here, but I didn't see anything in M15. So and it's just a sweep, big displacement, straight up move. So this is a 5 hour gap again. I don't see anything. Let's see what's going to happen. So this big 5 hour gap that holding the price now just break through, just ran through. So it will act as inverse. So you can expect the price not to come at this point. So you can sell inside this and you can sell targeting this low. Does it make some sense, bro? In your 15? This is just well ran through. So it's getting these valley gaps. So there is these things, bro. Don't listen nonsense. Inside this range, buy. Here's look for selling opportunity. That's it. Make it simple. Everything else is the trade management. Once I end my trade, I have to know how to have the plan to do what I'm planned for, what I'm here for. Jade keeps gel, jade cape or jade cap, I don't know. Trading is easy, entry is easy, everything is easy, but the trade management is tough. So the trade management, you should learn the trade management skill. But identify the raw liquidity. Just this is it, bro. Once this low or this high has been taken, you can look for some sort of model to press it to enter. If you get that model, if you identify the model, all you need to do is just execute the entry, put the stop, and manage the trade properly. Until or unless the market makes beautiful sense to you, you are not supposed to move your stop loss. Your stop loss would be in a valid point. Once the price start to displace like this, you can move your stop loss now to your willing place because it's created a 5 hour gap in 5 minutes, 15 minutes. So you don't like to see any base close below this range, close above this range, right? So this high is supposed to get protected in most cases. So that's the reason why I'm always telling you don't micromanage before it bring good some sort of confirmations for you. Mhm. 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 So today itself, my friend insisted me to one thing. Don't trade with 3 minutes. But I hate the 3 minutes. 3 minutes is pretty good from my point of view. 3 minutes make a lot of sense to me. 3 minutes gives super good entries. But the thing is, he insisted me on thing. Don't trade with 3 minutes. Sorry. Do a top-down analysis from weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15, 5, 1. That's it. Once you move from 4 hour, 1 hour to 15, then 5, 1 minute entry. That's it. This is what you need to practice. This is not what you need to do. 3 minutes is 3 minutes is noise, bro. It's not a noise from my perspective. Because the point is, it shows one thing in 3 minutes. It shows one thing in 5 minutes. It shows a lot of things in a lot of time frames. So it's really hard for me to. It's to be honest, it's literally hard for me to do something. All those entities because I don't know. The point is I'm confused, right? If I wait for 3 minutes, I might not enter here. If I'm in 1 minute, I might enter here. So that's where the stock market caught me out. So I don't want to get confused. So my entry either in 5 minutes or in 1 minute. That's it. My entry most probably be in 1 minute or in 5 minutes. My entry mostly in 1 minute and in small cases it's gonna be in 3 minutes. Yes, it's down the parallel gap. No, not yet. This is what you're looking for, bro. It's boom, first leg, boom. And then I lost getting stuck in the clear. No, I'm bottom leg. Is there anything you see here? Fill it up, clears it out. So once the first leg has been cleared, once the liquidity has been take, there's the liquidity, right? Wait. Liquidity taken, rebalance to the 5 minutes, go all the way up, sweep the guy, leave this fair value gap. Once this fair value gap getting flipped here, once rebalance to this range entered. So where I need to enter, it's 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 literally get flipped, rebalance to this point, enter, stop at the high. It's 4 pip, bro. Literally 4 pip entry, bro. The time frame is it's not from a time frame. That's the point. So the thing is the model. So the fair value gap in second leg. This is going to be the first leg. This is going to be the second leg after sweeping the liquidity. It's clearly what happened. You can see that it's clearly flipped the range. So what I'm doing is once it short, once it flipped the fair value gap, once it rebalanced to this point, it's not only flipped but also create this fair value. What I'm doing is once it flipped, I increase my position at 50%. Put the stop at the high. 50% is pretty fine, right? No price close above this range. So once the file getting flipped, I execute my position. This is gonna be yeah 50%. This here it's leave this value up, right? Once it getting tab enter my position here. Stop at the high. Stop at this high. I don't like to see any price close above this range, so I just give some good breathing room. I can keep a stop here. I don't like to see any price close above this range, so I just give some breathing room. So my target is going to be this thing. 1:1. Yeah. This 1:2. Done, bro. Lock. Crunch. There's no price close about this. Keep on coming. Now it's literally now it's really gives some sort of sweep plus structure shift plus displacement inside this range. You can enter your position, put the stop at the high, move the stop to break even now. This is what you need to do. This is how you need to plan your entry. So this is going to be the draw on liquidity for this entry model. But this entry model printed exactly at what time frame. But before that, the thing is the liquidity has been taken, and this is the prime liquidity. I don't know when it's going to take. This is the daily high. So so I'm not sure. So as of now, what is liquidity has been swept. Price rebalance, second leg. In second leg, it's literally flipped. So I entered my position, put the stop at the high. I like to see something. So once the price approaches this point, I exit my whole positions. But before that, inside this 5 minutes. So before that, what happened here? It's flipped. It's continuously holding the price. There is no price close above this range. So finally, what happened? Finally, price sweep the high, sweep. There's a sweep here. Structure shift with big displacement with these imbalances. So once the price reach this, so once the price reach to sorry, once the price reach to this point, I enter my position again. Like this is again, bro. Again, holy shit, bro. Sweep, inversion, displacement, structure shift to this discounted range. Entered. Put the stop at the high. This center is going to be now break even now. What I'm going to do at target. These are all the low resistance liquidity items. So this is going to be. So these are all the low resistance liquidity items. So when I'm target, bro, this is going to be the target. Yeah. And this is all the liquidity here. Holy shit, you can identify that in 5 or 15 minutes, bro. But this whole guy happened exactly at 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock, this thing happened. So this is not from a time frame, but I noticed the price action over here. So if the first push is supposed to be here, enter. So I just wait and see what's happening inside this range. So if I identify this kind of sweep, this kind of liquidity sweep, this kind of pattern, which is going to be something valid, bro. So this is going to be the second entry, right? I don't see any price close above this fair value gap inversion. So inside this range, what happened? Price go up, no, comes down. When this equal lows, go all the way up, sweep the high. Now it's touch shift plus inversion. So inside this in an internal position here. Put the stop at this high, targeting some sort of liquidities like this. So this all thing are the liquidity. So we targeting this point. From this time frame since identified. Right, my friend. If I just hold the trade with higher time frame knowledge, why I'm holding the trade, the big imbalance now get ran through like boom, sweep, second shift, boom, started display lower. And this family gap now get ran through this family gap, boom, boom, ran through. So obviously only going to be this low. So what I'm going to so obvious ground will be what? Will what? This low. So so if it has been swept, big displacement. This is the third question. So this is not from a tangent, but I just fell in love with this model, bro. It's beautiful. Big displacement. Leave this footing imbalance. It's just what happened here. I think M15 inversion get tapped or not. Yeah, no, it's pretty much get tapped. So this liquidity aspect clears out. Price just tap the imbalance, start to sell off all the way towards 705 idea. M5, it's it's a beautiful thing, right? In M5, value gap, liquidity, sweep, big displacement with structure shift come all the way down towards this point. Holy shit, bro. What about an M15? Do I have anything here? In M15, the only value gap I have here is this guy. Let's see what's going to happen. I'm pretty bullish. I'm pretty bullish. I like to see this high to take. Tide has been hit, bro. So I'm here to practice. Emotionless model based trading. What is meant by emotionless model based trading? First I need to identify what I'm doing. Let's just feed in H1 there is a fairly appear okay. Let's just feed the high. What happened here? Let's do all kind of things for me to go for an entry, inversion entry, and that value also getting flipped. It's come all the way down to sweep the liquidity. The reason for that there is a huge imbalance in H1. So we can target that. After the H1, we will read it will roll back all the way up to this high and place of the daily high, Friday high. This is going to be my game plan for the day. That's it. Nothing else. Nothing more. So inside this range, I can look for some buy if I see any kind of price action. If not, if this just ran through my final round rate for today's this low. That's it. So according to my friend, I delete the 3 minutes. I'm not gonna look up for 3 minutes anymore. Since the 1 minute is pretty good, pretty good. I'm always confusing with my thing with no bro, if I wait for 3 minute, oh sorry, 5 minute, 3 minute confirmation, 3 minutes entry, I might not enter, I might not do this, do that. No, bro, you have to just practice that. 1 minute is pretty good. Every move, every information has, you should be obtained from 1 minute. You can be obtained, so don't neglect that. So if I'm trading 3 minutes, I might not see this, I might not enter this entry, and I might not pyramiding here. I might not hold the position to this point. So this is first confirmation on sweep. This is a second confirmation. I just project my model. It's print at this point. So at this point, what I'm doing is I scale some positions here, put my entry to break even, leave the runners towards this point. That's it. Take profit has been hit. Sweep big displacement inside this range. I need to see whether it's continue lower or it's going to go higher. That's it. Try to check the news for the day. $49, bro. Total monthly payment was successfully processed. Holy shit, bro. I enrolled in the top step futures accounts, bro. It's gonna be fun now. It's going to be fun. All I need to do, practice model based, Mr. Water, bro. Nothing else. Just some hot water for myself. I'm feeling, I'm getting cold now. I didn't see anything so far here. Ding dong bell. Okay. 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes, inside this swing, this is going to be the final Fair Valley gap to looked up for. So I just stop down to this point. I just marked this point. Now it's a big displacement, bro. Let's see what's happening here. Some liquidity has been taken. So, so M15 bullish efficiency. Okay, beautiful. So like those things, it's really beautiful. Like sweep the liquidity inside this range, like inside this range, please what happened? Tap, boom, 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 boom. Flip this level again. Come take this one. That's it. This is going to be my draw liquidity, right? Flip, and I wait for initial flip, and I wait for the 5 minute flip to happen. And then the 5 minute also getting flipped. So inside the 5 minute, I need to close some positions. I close my positions, and I do have get the chance to pyramid that. I'm pyramiding my positions as well. But the point is, yesterday I tried to do the same thing. In university, it's clearly playing the same thing. Like once invest, once you do the structure shift, it followed the game plan and go and take the liquidity. But last day I tried to pyramid, but it stopped me out. I might be wrong. I might not mark the correct level. I have to have some. I want to build some hands-on experience on trading Nasdaq, bro. I don't have any experience. I don't know the volatility. I don't know nothing about it. I don't know the lot size, nothing. But I did started trading Nasdaq. Okay, loss from the Fair Valley gap in M5 inside H1 time frame. I just marked it out. Like to see what happened inside this range. This M15 Fair Valley gap. Let's see if anything. So what I'm expecting here, if I'm bullish, I'm expecting these Fair Valley gaps to run through, place close above the swing highs and targeting this high. So this is going to be the game plan for the day. If I'm bullish, if the market is bullish, it should run through all those things. What happened? It should run through all those things. If not, if it's holding the price, which means the selling continuation is going on until I don't know where to at least this point. Hmm. Okay. Asia range, London range. So what happened in the Sanders group? This is where the London High stopped and the sweep of the London High. Now, how beautifully the place played here, bro. Hmm? Asia in the engine liquidity. I don't know. I don't know. Price keep on continuing going towards the Asia low and to this point or not. I don't know. To the daily low to rebalance the weekly bullish value. I don't know. Don't get confused. Just try to be. The London range final sweep. This is going to be the structure shift. Target the engineer liquidity in Asia session. London low has been taken now. So this is the London low and London high. So you have to take the London low. So you have this if this range. So inside this range, I need to be completely bullish. Why? Why I'm bullish? Sorry, bearish. It's a big displacement, bro. So that's where I start messed up my models. Actually, to be honest, it's entry. I've just missed it because this is a good accumulation. So not to go lower, price should go higher. Just hunt the liquidity inside the 5 minutes. This is a 5 minutes imbalance. Price just sweep. Once it gets sweep, what happened here? Once it gets sweep, what happened here? The last barrel kept that holding the price now get ran through. Now get below this one of the Pecco structure. So once the price leave this level here. So once you tap this money enter to the stop at this high. So this is going to be the max position I can put my stop. And targeting what? Targeting this is going to be the first TP. This is going to be the final TP. It's really worked, but I didn't look for that, but it's really good, right? It's in five value here. What happened? It's a rebalance first leg. It's the first leg. This is going to be the first leg. It's clears out here, right? So this first leg gets clears out here. Once it clears out, it's flip the fair value gaps. So you can enter the position, put the stop at the high. Like to see some continuation. It's a turtle soup now. And this is also pretty much tap the inflecting fair value. Once this imbalance is getting flipped, you can enter the position, put the stop at the high, targeting the opposite liquidity like this guy. It's beautifully hit, bro. Holy shit. I need to check my news time. It's any news for today. Now I can confidently watch, not confidently. Now I can start watching the guy. Just in earlier videos, is just we are trading the same strategy. Hmm. Well, it's very simple, bro. Just mark the. I don't see any news for today. There is no news, no red folders. So price might chopping around. So what I'm telling is, you don't need to do all those things. Just mark the clear liquidity. Once the liquidity has been taken, price should give some profit taking thing. So all you need to do is just wait for the confirmation how to entering a trade. For this, you can target this side. This is going to be the clear liquidity, bro. This area completely remain unfilled. So this is going to be the clear liquidity for me. These are all the panic sellers. So now I'm just going to. Sorry, yeah, no. Last week high. Okay, okay, okay. No, no. So it's completely bullish, bro. Completely bullish. This is going to be the strong liquidity in weekly time frame. So for me, this is going to be the trigger for the weekly time frame, weekly target event. Okay. In the extremely premium Favalier price to stop here. Sorry. It's going to be daily. What a permanent daily. So, okay. Inside this imbalance price, just like crash. Did I see something? No, there is only Favalier up here. There's nothing here for me to look up for. And getting balance clears out. And this I also one more time swing. It's started going linked going higher. It says like that. Okay. This is gonna be just Friday, right? Friday high, Friday low. What happened in 4 hour? In 4 hour, boom, 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 sweep, big down, close candle, come all the way down. Once you tap this liquidity, tap this breaker, big displacement inversion. So the only way it is going to be at least this high for sure. So currently we're yeah. So the current level, it's ran through from all the way down. So I like to see this and decide to take. While from the high time frame perspective, it's completely bullish. Price just sweep rebalance to the 5 hour gap. It's selected 4 hour. So I like to target the highs. So before that, I like to see price to sweep this low. So once this liquidity has been taken, I can expect some higher prices. I don't know. Might be. This is also the lot of liquidity testing here. This barrel, H1, Traveler, Tab, second swept, keep on going higher. This is going to be the current liquidity. TP1, TP2. This is what I'm looking for. Good night. Good night. Holy shit, bro. Lead hasn't been taken. Because you have rebalanced the family. Yeah? Come on, sweep the liquidity. When it happened, bro, it's actually like you need. This thing happened at actually 10 o'clock. What did it do at 10 o'clock? I can't do anything. Boom, 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 boom. Now it's structure file gap getting flipped. So, object product divided by this, bro. No worries. Why? Liquidity has been swept. Structure shift. Recent value getting flipped. Do you have any family update? No. 5 minutes. Okay, okay. This is some sort of liquidity inside this big imbalance, and this is the targets according 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 to my higher time frame draw on liquidity. Mhm. What happened? Then? Holy shit! Let's get ran through. Wait for this liquidity to take, or this liquidity to take before you go for some sort of entry model. As of now, what happened here? It's just rebalanced to this point. Close out the first low, keep on going, go up, accumulated, going higher, break. It's getting flipped. So it's willing to go in higher prices. We need to bring higher prices to this point, I guess. In 3 minutes, in 5 minutes, I didn't see anything like boom, 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 boom. The point is, I know my model. I know my model. I know how my model playing out. I know how it moves, how it traps me, everything. So the point I need to wait for my model. If I'm just bit not having any confidence or confident with my entry, which means my entry is not present. I'm not looking something which I'm not supposed to wait for or yeah, wait for. Go to this guy. Switch accounts. Wanna check still I doing yeah. Which the point is I need to see my model in the billing price, in the billing place, like the weekly high, weekly low, daily high, daily low, London high, London low. So I like to see my entry plays out during in that specific ranges. I don't want to enter in any stupid places. I don't want that. I'm tired of doing all those shit, bro. Things. What about the great bro? Maybe it's not something. Okay. Shit good. Mhm. Hmm. Can I tell you one thing, bro? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Fine. So according to my model, like low, high, steady shift, lower the entry. Okay. So this is called as discretionary entry, bro. This is not a discretionary, but I don't want to do these kind of things. So I enter here. We'll stop at this low. I keep my stop target not at once, so I like to see horizontal target. Okay, let's write. The only thing is, M5 parallel gap, keep on holding. Structure shift inside the M5 parallel gap, I get the structure shift with displacement, and then so the liquidity has been sweep now. Phantom my position here. So what happened here? It's engineering the liquidity, swept, phantom my position here. Put the stop at this low, targeting, targeting what? Targeting this side. This is the first target, so I want to take at least 21.5. This full position to this point. Let's move to 5 minutes. What it happened here? It's clearly it's clearly the area holding the price. This is the first leg. So my target is going to be at least this point. At least this point. So this is where I want to only one. Just only one. Got it. So this is kind of things I need to avoid. The moment I got triggered, like can I go for an entry? It seems like good. It seems very good, very great. Man, but it's an M5. It's like Fair Valley Gap. Engineer the liquidity takes out one more time. It's swept. Structure shift close above. Rebalance to this range. So here, if I want to enter, this is going to be the good entry. This is going to be a good take profit. Why? The reason is structure shift has been happened. It is for the engineer liquidity that's getting swept. So I should enter my position here. Put the stop loss at this bar point. This is going to be my stop loss. This is going to be my stop loss. This is my stop loss. This is where I'm aiming for. 1 is to 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2. That's it. So it makes sense, but because it makes sense, I'm not supposed to execute any positions. I need to wait for some sort of significance. This is where I start making my mistakes. This is the it will most probably going to work for today because it's my model. But the point is because my model print everywhere, I'm supposed to dig everywhere. If the price takes out some sort of significant swings, some sort of enter into some sort of fair value gap, then I can look for something like this. Here I didn't see anything blue. I didn't see anything. In fact, I did have the fair value gap here. Besides that, I don't have anything. It gets completely get filled. Big displacement. Last leg getting break, right? Last swing here getting break with big displacement. Leave this fair value gap. So inside the fair value gap, I look for something to see. I like to see something. Now what happened here is price come and tapped. So if we consider it as a sweep, it is a staycation. What happened, bro? It stopped me out. It's not a real one. So I had to wait and wait really. So this is that I'm looking for is clearly a buy model, but I'm not entered. This is kind of hesitation not going to appear. It's going to make me keep me down, bro. All I need to do once I find my model, just enter it, put the stop at the right place, just execute it. It's this very tiny entry. I don't like it. I don't want it. Even though it seems super glamorous, super sexy, bro, I don't want it. So like, okay, price come on approaches this guy. Go to 1 minute now. It's again swept, structure shift, big displacement. So lost from the flower again. And what again. Go as per my entry, I entered here. Since it please close this one, enter. I targeting this first leg. So just put above, bit above for the sake of my industrial issue. The reason for that entry So the recent high has been broke above big displacement through the swing high. Recently formed M5 hour gap inside this range price in engineer the liquidity swept. That leg was also swept one more time. So now it's clear, give the clear structure shift. This is just a manipulation. This is a real structure shift with big displacement, and this is also and the liquidity has been swept. It's engineer the liquidity that getting swept. Once it gets swept, entered. And once the price drop below this point, I can enter. So this point I can enter, bro. So if I want to set my limit order, it will execute at this point. I can put my stop at this low. This is going to be the valid stop. Uh, let's see how long it's going to go. Mm-hmm. Holy fuck, bro! I don't know, bro. It's not count. It's not a joke. It's not something ding dong, bro. It's real. I'm in complete drawdown. I'm about to get my stop. It's a pro. It's entry. Not make any sense to me. So what happened in 1 hour? It's purely try to close below this range, bro. I think if I get the big monitor, big screen, it's going to be good for me to see the price in the big screen. Like it makes some sense to me. Like it's kind of very choppy, small, and I miss a lot of things from the left side. That's something kind of feels me a bit a big displacement. Price my targeting the daily low. Who knows? If it get ran through the target, it's really going to be this. If this getting ran through, the draw liquidity going to be this. So you don't know how to draw the draw liquidity. We're about to get stopped, bro. The point is, you see that thing, but you forget to see this thing. That's the catch. If I enter my position here, put the stop at this low, I'm pretty much get stopped out. I'm pretty much stopped out, bro. I'm pretty much get stopped out. This is why you are not supposed to enter where you guess and my word impulsiveness to like go enter. Yeah, from your perspective, it's super good. But if I get a big displacement with fair value gaps here, I can trust this model. Or if any kind of candle close above this candle, still it will be acceptable. What happened? Go is getting respected, start to sell off, again go up, not even take the side. But it did engineer the liquidity, right? Equal high. Boom, boom. See? It's free. Go on print equal highs. Come on tab my fair value gaps. Yeah, okay. Mm, mm. This is where I start debating the rules, debating everything, bro. I have to have some plans. I have to have some plan in place, like what I'm gonna do. Then I have to execute it flawlessly. That what I need to practice, do every single day. But instead of doing that, I'm zoomed in. If the candle close below this range, then it would be not good for me. It clears out the first leg, it's in the second leg. But it seems super bearish, bro. Sweep, structure shift, sweep, structure shift. It's kind of it's kind of very literally very tough for me to execute these positions. The point is we're constantly looking for entry center. அதான் bro பிரச்சனை. The point is I'm constantly searching something, bro. I'm not wait for something to happen. I'm not wait for the place to come to my billing area, billing point of interest. I'm constantly scrolling down, I'm constantly analysis, I constantly lost my mental capital without having proper draw liquidity, without having proper ideology. If I plan my entry, I should wait for it. If you not have planned your entry, just mark the liquidity zone, just wait for it. High lows, just wait for it. You know your model, right? Just wait for it. You're like your analysis is too much. Your analysis You keep on analyzing the markets and feel very tired. Everyone feel tired, but if keep on analyzing. Not only you, every one of them get tired of doing this kind of things. You are not supposed to analyze them. You know your model, right? You just wait for the things to appear. Holy shit, bro. I don't know how to make it for this thing. So in this first inversion, I put my first entry, put the stop loss at the low, like to see some continuation, right? So how long the stop loss is gonna be, bro? 6 pips. So it should make some sense to me. Yes. So a lot of things needs to happen, bro. I consciously entered this entry, but a lot of things needs to happen. I'm not gonna price this entry. It's good or bad. I know. Just flip this value up. I just entered. Put the stop loss at this low. So this is gonna be my stop. So I like to see a lot of things to happen. Since what just not which I maybe just need to this guy. Just go to 5 minutes or 3 minutes. Doesn't make any sense. Only here. And 1 minute. Yeah, bro. So according to me, I don't like to see any price close below this range since it's flipped. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. If it is closed below, I I don't have any point to stay in this position. Oh, I already closed it, bro. I closed it. With some stupid executions, I closed it. That's it. Nothing more, nothing much to talk about here. Reason why I entered, 1 minute, like I said, it is a fast leg, complete bullshit trading mental actually. Fast leg, mild leg, and I don't, I couldn't understand, bro. You have this much big fair value gap here, right? No, no, no. I'm not worrying about the losses. I'm not worrying about anything. But I'm worrying about why the hell I entered like some stupid executions without having any fucking knowledge. With something thing into my head, like mentally, like I'm doing good. No, bro, you're not doing good. You should wait for some significant load to take something to appear in front of us. And the only reason I entered this position is this. So the point is, this is going to be the first leg, second leg. This is where you need to enter. இந்த மாரி என்ட்ரிங் அடிக்கிறப்போ எனக்கு உடனே தான் தோணுது, நான் ட்ரேடிங் தான் பண்றேனா? இல்ல கேம்பிள் பண்றேனா? எனக்கு ட்ரேடிங் முதல்ல தெரியுதா? எனக்கு ட்ரேடிங் பண்ண தெரியுமா? நான் ட்ரேடிங் பண்ணலாமா? இந்த கேம்ல நான் இருக்கலாமா? அப்படின்ற அனைத்து டவுட்டையும் கொண்டு வரது இந்த மாரி என்ட்ரிஸ். What I'm telling here is, because I'm doing this kind of entries, may always make me feel I'm doing trading in the correct way. I'm eligible to do trading. Lot of questions, lot of doubts. So why the hell you create those doubts by doing these kind of stupid executions? The point is, you don't have the calculator on liquidity. You don't see anything. So inside your 1 hour bullish fair value gap, you didn't see anything underlyingly go for buy. It's low, high, break, no displacement, no study shift, nothing. Screw all the way up, sweep the high, start to sell off again, take this low. If the selling continuation is still going on, I don't know how long it's gonna be. It might be to this point or this point. Everything is low, there's still a lot of liquidity. So if you don't know what's going on, just stay away from the market, bro. Please. Don't try to do something which you are not familiar with. I'm trying something now, and I also deviate my plan, deviate my rule. Here, here, once it gets flipped, I entered. I like to see a lot of things to flip, right? Enter. My question here. The next moment price started reverse its direction. I am close my position actually at this point. At this point. Nothing much. Holy shit, bro. This is a lower the ticket. There was a sound there. Yeah. The reason why you are bullish sobre action recently has been taken. So that it was okay. It's flipped. Imbalance getting flipped. So the obvious already going to be higher. Higher time frame. With push to the upside. More liquidity has been taken. Come all the way down towards this H1 imbalance. Speed instantly flip the H1 imbalance. Give the pullback. Good straight up. So what is the long already going to be? Higher prices. So the point of looking up for selling is nothing but I did M5, M15, structure shift, um, so now you're looking for contract on it. So going to 5 minutes. According to 5 minutes, it's the last leg break. There's no balance on the resistance. It's falling the price of that now.
வர வழியில ஒரு காய் என் வாய் ஃபுல்லா நக்கி சை
எதுல
இந்த மாதிரி I just getting sticky. இவர் லைவ்க்குள்ள மட்டும் நான் போக மாட்டேன் எனக்கு
காஞ்சா போயிட்டு வந்துட்டான்.
இன்னும் 20 மினிட்ஸ் வந்துருவா
இப்போ மார்க்கெட் ஓப்பன் அப்போ தான் வருவாளா? அது அப்போ தான் ட்ரேடும் பண்ணுவான். அதுமாதிரி ட்ரேட் பண்ண மாட்டான்.
பண்ணமாட்டா
ஏன் அப்படி? அப்போ தான் வால்டிலிட்டி வருமா?
sticky situation discombobulation sticky situation discombobulation 35
இதில் எப்படி செஷன் மார்க் பண்ணுறது? செஷனில் மார்க் பண்ணணும். செஷன் பார்க்க முடியாதா? ட்ரேடிங் தான் பார்த்துக்கணும் அது.
நசீர் வந்தானா
இல்லையே.
sticky situation discombobulation oh
கட் பண்ணுறாங்க.
it's just getting sticky sticky situation discombobulation very good terrible quando pezzi da gioco I would have said Q2 but you moved it and this oh fool you're a fool من ما ولا قشر جاب دوغا مثلا شلا مثلا بالبعض so it's going to wow
இப்போ தான் வாங்கிட்டே ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக மூவ் ஆகுது.
yes sir one of them مثلا one அடிக்கடி phone பண்ணி இருக்கிறேன் oh shit Sticky situation, discombobulation.
Buy point, yeah. சரியான வாழ்த்தல்ட்டே இருக்கான். பத 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 அடிக்குது.
Sticky. Sticky. Philip. Philip. Sticky. Sticky. Sticky situation, discombobulation. Oh shit. That is a liquidity sweet, my man. All right. Shit.
மார்க்கெட் ஓப்பன்ல இருந்து 15 மினிட்ஸ் ட்ரேட் பண்ண கூடாதுங்களா?
நான் மார்க்கெட் ஓப்பன்லயே என்ட்ரி எடுப்பேன். மார்க்கெட் ஓப்பன்ல நம்மளுக்கு வாலட்டிலிட்டி இருக்கும் அவ்வளவுதான்.
அப்புறம் செட்டில் ஆயிடுமா?
14 கால்ஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். ஒரு கால் கூட எடுக்கல. டன் கால். Sleep is more fucking important for these people. The situation, this collaboration. Elite travel funding. New rules live. 65% of everything starts like an market open.
News can tomorrow.
Nice. Universe from all around. And normal week, but no gaps found. Sweetest, sweetest, sweetest. All right. This was English. Those things kicking. summer vacation. Peaceful,
Mm.
peaceful work. 150K with one trade inter. No, just இப்பெல்லாம் ஏமாத்த முடியுமா ஏமாத்துறானுங்க.
Yeah.
வாங்க வாங்க அப்படியா? Oh, that's a fair value gap on a 5 minute time frame, and now it's an inverse. Like not trusted yet. But wait for this value gap, like probably after a sweep of these things, and the high time frame looks bullish. Now I want to see the price go up to daily high, and I am expecting a bullish week for the day. I mean, I'm expecting a bullish week. But you're not gonna catch the bus. 36 இங்கே.
Mm.
இங்கே 36. 2 minutes the bus. இங்கிருந்து வரோம். Sticky. All right. That's the liquidity sweeps that I want to see now if I get an inverse on anything. Okay. La, 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 la. Sticky, sticky. Dude, come on. என்னோட என்ட்ரி பேட்டர்னே பிரிண்ட் ஆக மாட்டேங்குது.
Yeah.
இங்க ஒரு கேப் கூட இல்லையே. ஒரே ஒரு ஃபேர் வேல்யூ கேப் கூட இல்ல. Lowest time frame is one that I'm in right now.
Mm.
Okay, let's see, let's see. That's a change in state of delivery if that happens. But no, it will not happen. 5 minutes. That's 5 minutes. 5 minutes to hold at 5 minutes where value gap. Money. Oh shit. Uh, dun, 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 dun. It's gonna go with one lot here. Zero, zero. How can I be homophobic? My bitch scared. I am homophobic. Hey, Mazarana beat how Literally price gonna drop until when it's low. Maybe take out all these liquidity and just come in tap again. All this for welfare rally gap. Maybe that will be the only one entry that I could get today. But price definitely going up to this daily high. But I don't know when it is going on. That's the only thing I'll be happy up into. There's an inverse. I can get an inverse now, but it is just happening. Let's just get a sticky. Let it close. Let it all back out. Let it all back out. I made a speech. All right. Right. Still, still holding us. All right. Cool. Let's get it. It's like a tiny freaking loss if I lose it. Yeah. Can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay. Somebody told Doja Cat and Sonny and Doja that tell them about you, but I value my life. That's not. There's so much things I've done yet. UK rapper, UK drill. Alright. I cannot be homophobic. My British girl. Talking about brothers or ladies, I'm talking about brothers. So to say that out loud, but I'm always doing that way. A change in state of delivery. That is a change in state of delivery. Let it all work out. Let it all work out. Yeah, let it all work out. Once this channel closes about this channel, I'm gonna break the fuck even the straight. I'm all good. I'm all good. 60 up. Yeah. What up? Pew. Huh? Ling up future account. Okay. Real entry. Entry other job. Include sweep, shift. Either on the another on the hundred along. Yeah, one entry now. Gimana? Mhm. Okay. Beautiful. ஸ்டாப் லாஸ் எங்கடா இருக்கு? கீழ இருக்கும் பாருங்க எங்கேயாச்சும். ஐயோ! ரொம்ப கம்மியா தான் போட்டுருக்கணும் அப்போ. ரொம்ப கம்மி. இன்னொன்னு கூட ஆட் பண்ணலாம் பொசிஷன். எப்படி ஆட் பண்றது? அதேதான் பை பட்டன் அமுக்குங்க முடிஞ்சுச்சு. How can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay. Okay. There is a fair value yeah, my boy. ஸோ இதான் ஒரே ஸ்டாப் தானே அப்போ? ஒரே ஸ்டாப் லாஸ். நீங்க வேணும்னா செல் ஸ்டாப்ஸ். செல் ஸ்டாப். அதெல்லாம் வேணாம். அப்படின்னா? இன்னொரு இப்போ இந்த இடத்துக்கு வந்தா ஒரு 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 கான்ட்ராக்ட் போயிடும். அந்த இடத்துல வைக்காதா? இன்னும் தகவல் போயிருக்காங்க அப்படி.
Uh, so far, this is gonna be a like point to keep mistake.
All right, all right. If you are the UK, would have had AK-47 with 100.
Partials எப்படி எடுப்பதில்ல
Just,
என்ன
huh?
partials எப்படி எடுப்பதில்ல
தெரியாது bro எனக்கு.
எப்படி கனெக்ட் க்ளோஸ் மொத்தமாக க்ளோஸ் பண்ணுறதுன்ட்டு
அது, come on. Cell limit. Cell limit. Modify. One.
creating a tree store my tree listen further interviews nothing that just shift
5 okay, five. 10 contracts, $500. I would have got out of now.
take profit எங்க இருக்கு take profit காணும்
1500 less from logo.
வா
Administrative. Oh, God, I'll look for president. Sure, I think it's-
what happened to go
Change in state of delivery. This is change. Change in state. Delivery.
what kind of complaints I have kind
Political
of
breakout.
breakdowns structure should run through the imbalance getting holes you're targeting this liquidity fine kilometer
Okay. Sit and forget. Just like Alex. Gee, but don't trade like him. He's a fucking scam.
ஆனா இது ஒரு மாதிரி டிஃப்ரெண்டா இருக்குல்ல மேனுவலா போடாம இருக்குல்ல நல்லா அந்த ஸ்டாப் லாஸ் வச்ச மாதிரி ஃபீலிங் இது மேனுவலா போட்டுட்டு இருக்கோம்ல மேனுவலா போடுறப்ப அந்த ஃபீல் இருக்கும்
Do we have a news?
நியூஸ் இல்ல
No news Monday.
Yeah.
Oh shit. 9 o'clock ஒரே ஒரு yellow folder news வருது. Ain't gonna fucking push out. But let's see, bro. But let's see. We are bullish for the week. I want to see the price to sweep daily high in order for it to move down. If it does want to move down, if it does want to move down. Oh, let's see. 5 minutes. 5 minutes looks good, but it hasn't been inverse that bullish. I mean, like the bearish for value gap over there. But I'm very positive on this trade. Nobody's watching. Okay, nobody cares. Venice Beach. Um,
Tada, no, Chiquito, Brazilians.
la,
Shoot,
la, la, la,
don't
la.
do what.
Break the even the strain, bro. Let it all work out. Yeah, let it all go. UK rapper, UK. After this, I'm keeping up to the winning day profit, which is $100. I need a winning day to get to life. Let's go. Kill 'em all, kill 'em all. Nah, 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 nah. Let's go. 5 minutes inverse fair value gap. We are good to go up because price has already inversed for our fair value gap. So which means the price is extremely bullish. Even if it wanna comes down, even if it wanna go down, it has to sweep daily high. For now, we are sitting so chill. Break even on the trade. Nothing to worry about. If it hits my take profit, $500 on the day, good fucking day. Anytime go to sleep like a little baby. But I don't know how I'm gonna handle this. I don't know how I'm gonna manage this trade though. But one thing for sure,
One,
I
two,
ain't losing
three.
shit on this trade. God did it, bro. UK wrap up. UK what? Alright. If you're in UK with an AK E7 with 100 rounds, red carpet, London's there. Being got generation of what got a couple of milk from a harmless chap. Now, bro, how is trading futures feel like?
Since life is not turning.
Look at that. How beautiful the price action is. What is it? Following in a conversation business. And AVI na?
Airport का ये तो illustration है.
AVI, academic integrity violation. Okay. I'm doing a record. Section 2, an academic violation. Yes. Undermines the quality of education and the value of college credentials. And it's a serious matter. So, no, no, bro. Personal, so, personal.
It's like somewhat of
First one, personal.
Acho que పెట్టాను ప్రధాన ఈసీగా రాసుకోవాలి సబ్జెక్ట్ కేవలం and
Who did it? God and ICP. உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமா?
ம்.
ஒரு வாட்டி நான் அப்படிதான் பண்ணேன். நான் என்ன பண்ணிட்டேன், ஒரு பொண்ணுட்ட அசைன்மென்ட் வாங்குனேன். பார்த்து பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு நான் எந்த பண்ணி முடிச்சுட்டு
ம்.
எந்த பண்ணி முடிச்சுட்டேன் ஆக்சுவலி. நான் ஒரே ஒரு சின்ன தப்பு பண்ணி நான் தப்பா பண்ணி முடிச்சுட்டு,
ம்.
அந்த பொண்ணோட ஃபைல டெலீட் பண்ணதுக்கு பதில், என் ஃபைல டெலீட் பண்ணிட்டு, அந்த பொண்ணோட ஃபைல அப்படியே சப்மிட் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
ம்.
பேரு எதுவுமே மாத்தாம.
ம்.
லிட்டரலா.
ம்.
எனக்கும் 0 அந்த பொண்ணுக்கும் 0.
ம்.
அகாடமிக் இன்டெகிரிட்டி போட்டோம்ன்னு சொன்னாங்க.
ம்.
போட்டுருவேன்னு சொன்னாங்க. லைக் நான் போய் மார்க் டிமாண்ட் பண்ணேன்.
ம்.
என்னோட அசைன்மென்ட் சப்மிட் பண்றதா. நான்
ம்.
சும்மா ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு டவுட்டுக்காக தான் நான் கேட்டேன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னேன்.
ம்.
நான் உனக்கு அகாடமிக் இன்டெகிரிட்டி போடல.
ம்.
இதுக்கு நான் போடணும் ஆக்சுவலி.
ம்.
உனக்கு போனா போடும் நான் போடாம இருக்கேன்.
ம்.
போட மாட்டாங்க.
ம்.
சோ அது பிரச்சனைலாம் இல்ல ப்ரோ. ஜாலியா வச்சுக்குவோம்.
ம்.
வேகன் போட்டுங்களா?
வேகன் போட்டேன்.
எவ்வளவு? எவ்வளவு?
தெரியலையே.
200. 200.
எங்க இருக்கும் சார்?
ஆ?
அது எங்க இருக்குங்க?
போட்டிருக்கேன்.
இதுவா? எப்படி ஃபாஸ்ட் சர்வே எதுவும் தெரியாதா?
லிமிட் தான் போட்டு எடுக்கணும்.
ம்.
ஒண்ணா எத்தனை நாள் போட்டிருக்கீங்க? எத்தனை கான்ட்ராக்ட்ஸ்?
4 போட்டிருக்கானுங்க. எங்க தெரியும் கான்ட்ராக்ட்ஸ் போட்டிருக்குது? 4.
4 கான்ட்ராக்ட்ஸ். 2 கான்ட்ராக்ட்ஸ்.
2ன்னா புரியல.
எதுல போட்டிருக்கீங்க? எம்என்கியூவா? எம்என்கியூ தானே?
ஆமா.
எம்என்கியூ. ஓகே ஓகே. நான் கூட என்கியூல தான் போட்டீங்கன்னு நினைச்சேன். 4 கான்ட்ராக்ட்.
ம்.
I am manipulated by that. Stop me out. Don't care.
Flying fish are list.
Ooh. Look at me now. Look at me now. I'm getting paper. What do you mean? Fresh black off. I know that says motherfucker, but I don't want to say that. Muffin. Man, this bitch has to be silent to be a stupid. Dude, UK rapper, UK. So let's see. This is an inverse.
Stop loss at 0.
This is an inverse. Yeah. And if I would enter up here, I would have checked my stop loss up here. By now, I wouldn't have even been break even that through, or I would have got stopped out. So, which is very good to be honest. That I didn't actually get tricked. I don't care that the price is going up for real, for real. Minus stop out order. Good, good, good. 1.35. Break even that's there. Okay. Me, picture tayo அவங்க வீட்ல 2, 3 இருக்கு. ஒண்ணு ஆரஞ்சு, இன்னொன்னு வந்து ஒயிட் கலர். Cat persons. I hate cat persons. Hmm. Oh, திரும்பி இன்னும் ஆச்சோ? ஆ? இல்ல ப்ரோ. நானும் உள்ளதான் இருக்கேன். அதான் going up. It's going up. Well, 15 seconds more. 15 seconds more. It will go to 15 seconds. Alright. 15 seconds good. Looking very good. நீங்க இப்ப இங்க இருந்து எடுத்து கூட இங்க ஸ்டாப் லாஸ் வைக்கலாம். Two contracts. How should I start? These options. Holy shit. Five contracts ah. Yeah, bro, $220 on the loss. Wow, dude. Really? நாளைக்கு 250 லாஸ்ட் பண்ணா ஓகே. It's gonna be fuck me up, bro. Fight is a bit shy. No street. No, 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 no. Let's see what Stanja doing. I said I would never go in her life. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, she's not yet. Live in 2 hours. Sorry, she's very PM session. Price is like this. Eventually, it's gonna hit your take profit. I was about to say stop loss. What the? I'm not sure. سيارة مرة ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಲಿಸ್ಲ ಕಾಫಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ Please be careful. Zion tu na gostu. Nice today. Pressure. Holy shit, let's go. Close about, close about, close about. Oh, holy shit! இன்னொரு சார்ஜர் பாத்தீங்கன்னா சார்ஜரை யாரோ தூக்கிட்டு போயிட்டாங்க ப்ரோ. என்னோட சார்ஜரை யாருக்கு ப்ரோ தெரியல. ப்ரோ என் சார்ஜர் இருக்காங்க கீழே
இல்ல
கீழே.
ப்ரோ. இருக்கு ப்ரோ.
அது என்னோடதான்டா தெரியல ப்ரோ. உங்களுக்கு 45 ஆமா அதான் உங்களுக்கு ஒண்ணுதுங்க எந்த மேல இருந்துச்சு. ஓபன் ப்ரோ கொஞ்சம் அந்த டேபிள் அமுத்துடா. பாய் நீ
How to text Martians சொன்னீங்கன்னா சுத்தமா இருக்கும்.
இது என்ன பண்றது ஸ்டாப் செல் ஸ்டாப் சரியாயிட்டா ப்ரோ
ம்.
சரி
ஓகே ப்ரோ. கொஞ்சம் பரவாயில்ல.
செல் லிமிட் two contracts off partial set that's
Beautiful. That's what we need to do. Now we can reduce the list to here. Like let the runners do its job. அவ்வளவுதான். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ட்ரி நல்லா தான் போயிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
break evenல போட்டீங்க
ஆ?
break evenல போட்டீங்க
ஆ. என்ன ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ட்ரி ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் ஷிஃப்ட் டேப் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஸோ இந்த இடத்துக்கு கீழே ஸ்டாப்
bro I'm actually up like oh shit not this one now
அதான் இந்த இடத்துல போட்டிருக்கணும். ஆக்சுவலி
1:5 I'm up 1:5 risk reward
இந்த ட்ரேடை நம்ம வச்சிருக்கோம் பாத்தியா?
ஆ
ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் ஷிஃப்ட் ஆச்சு. லோன் டேப் ஆச்சு. என்ட்ரி ரீசெண்டா இந்த இடத்துல ஸ்டாப் லாஸ் போட்டேன். அப்படியே விட்டேன். அதான் அதுலயே நான் பண்ணணும். அதுதான் நான் ப்ராக்டிஸும் பண்ணணும்.
hey நடங்க
இப்ப என்னடா ஏன் அப்படி இருக்க?
because I'm happy
ஆ? பாயிண்ட் ஏதோ இருக்கா?
baby hi because I'm happy clap along if you feel like a room without a roof because I'm clap along if you feel like happiness is you clap along if you know what happiness is true $200 lock cheers mate
இது இந்த இடத்துல கொஞ்சம் கான்டெக்ட் கொடு விட்டோட.
எடுக்குவா
ம். அது வேணாம். இது 2 கான்டாக்ட்ஸ் எடுத்துட்டு ஒரு கான்டாக்ட்ட ஃபுல்லா ரன் பண்ணுவோம்.
2 கான்ட்ராக்ட்ஸா?
ம். 1 கான்ட்ராக்ட்லாம் வந்து ரொம்ப கம்மியாகும்.
ஆமா. 2 கான்ட்ராக்ட்ஸ் எடுக்கணுமா?
ம். ம். வச்சிருக்கேன். முடிச்சு விட்டாருங்களே.
ஆ?
அதுல முடிச்சு விட்டீங்க.
It's not oil fried, it's air fried. ம். ஒரு ஏர் ஃப்ரையர் வாங்கணும்.
இதுதான்.
ஏர் ஃப்ரையர் ஒண்ணு வாங்கணும். ஆ.
பிட் கிரீட். என்னோட ரீசன்ட் மென்டர் ஒண்ணு சொன்னாப்ல.
ம்.
ரீசன்ட் மென்டர்லாம் கிடையாது. ரீசெண்டா அவங்க வீடியோ பார்க்குறவங்க சொன்னா, "You don't need to be a perfectionist when it comes to booking a profit. But you need to be a perfectionist when it comes to
Keeping a stop line.
getting it up. When it comes to risk. ஸோ ரிஸ்க்னு வரப்போ நீ பர்ஃபெக்ஷனிஸ்டா இரு எப்பயுமே. ஸ்டாப் லாஸ் டேக் ப்ராஃபிட் மார்க் பெர்ஃபெக்ஷனிஸ்டா இருக்கணும் தேவையில்ல. அந்த இடத்த டார்கெட் பண்ணா அங்க போகணும்னு தேவையில்ல. அது முன்னாடியே நல்ல ரீசனபிள் டார்கெட் ரீசனபிள் பிரைஸ்னா க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி போயிடு.
Shit is like 150 calories. And I burnt around like 600 calories today. And not 150. This is another 100 calories. So like 250. I'm down to 350 calories.
இது
today.
என்னன்னு சொல்ல, இங்க ஒரு 34 இங்க ஒரு 34 இருக்கு, இங்க ஒரு 92 இருக்கு. என்னது ரெண்டு?
இந்த இடத்துல வந்து $34 ஸ்டாப் அடிச்சிடும். இந்த இடத்துல இருக்கிறது 92. இந்த ட்ரேட் ஃபுல்லா $92 இருக்கு.
ஓ, அப்போ வந்து ட்ரையல் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன் bro.
ஆமா.
Is there any reasonable point for me to trial the currency?
If you were a UK, what a AK.
What happened to my voice? Voice was growing. Holy shit, bro. It's again. It's my take profit or not.
If you were a UK, definitely going up, sweeping that daily high, dog. Having in my way like 100, dog. They do that was like Russia, dog. I'm scoring niggas like Russia, dog. I'm so like I don't much dog. That's all. Elegante, go big. White golden fall in the belly. The emerald cover, I was saying he's a big jump on that ASAP belly. The numbers is nothing, the money is nothing, the Billy be here, I promise. Say, can you be heavy? I was not carrying the weight they got with the dog shit. It's very theory. I must admit, you got the wrong person. They're bundling me, Chicago State. Which one of you niggas submerge it? Merge it.
The reason why I'm changed my move to this point, it's interval sweep study shift, negative sweep, study shift to keep on going higher, so I just move my stop to this point. So I'm completely reversed, maybe not completely, 90% lead. So I like to see the price to reach this point. That's it. That's it for the day, bro. But the last is long. I must put about the submissions. That's where I missed it up. Enter stop.
First time in three freaking years, நான் இவ்வளவு வெயிட் பண்றேன். ஸ்டாப் லாஸ் டேக் ப்ராஃபிட் அடிக்கிறதுக்காக.
எவ்வளவு ப்ராஃபிட் எவ்வளவு கான்ட்ராக்ட் ரெண்டு தான் போட்டீங்களா?
2 contracts. நான் இப்ப பண்ண வேண்டியதெல்லாம் ஐ நீட் $500 per day.
ஒரு
நான்
கான்ட்ராக்ட்
வந்து
க்ளோஸ்
ஐ எம் நாட் கோயிங் டு risk more than $50 per day. Oh, $50 வாய்ப்பே இல்ல. வாய்ப்பே இல்ல. Every day won't be like this, but I'll try to make this as my everyday. Come on, come on. Probably to come back down to sweep that and then move up. Yes.
I'm not sure it's gonna go up to that place. I don't know what I'm doing. ஒரு மாதிரி பார்த்தாலே இந்த மாதிரி ப்ரெஷரைஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு.
Yeah.
இன்டெகிரிட்டியை போட்டு விட்டான்றது.
Fuck integrity, fuck all this, bro. All the who cares about that?
Still. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. நீ பண்ண தப்பு என்ட்ரி எடுத்துட்டு இந்த மூமுக்கு கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் பண்ணிருக்கலாம். ஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் ஷிஃப்ட் டேப் இது ஒரு டைம் வந்து பிரைஸ் மோஸ்ட்லி ஸ்வீப் பண்ணி மேலே போகும், ரைட்? ஸோ அதுக்கு நடக்கிற வரைக்கும் நம்ம ஹோல்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கலாமா, இல்லை இந்த லிமிட்டை பிரைஸ் எடுத்துட்டு மோஸ்ட் ப்ராபபிலி நம்மளை ஸ்டாப் அடிக்கிறதுக்கு சான்சஸ் இருக்கு. அதை யோசிச்சுட்டு பிரேக் பண்ணிடலாம். ஏன்னா இதுக்கு நடந்தது ஒன்று வேலை இந்த லிமிட் எடுத்து போய் ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு ரீபேலன்ஸ்.
நான் என்னோட கன்ஃபுளுன்ஸ் என்ன பாருங்க, அது எதுவுமே இல்ல. ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு லோ ஸ்வீப் 4 hour இன்வெர்ஸ் ஃபேர் வேல்யூ கேப். இதுதான் என் கன்ஃபுளுன்ஸ். இதுதான் என் என்ட்ரி பாயிண்ட்டும். இந்த இன்வெர்ஸ் ஃபேர் வேல்யூ கேப் இந்த அம்மா தூண் இருக்கா, பட் எவ்வளவு எஃபெக்டிவா இருக்கா இருக்குங்க. ஆல்சோ எதனால வந்து பிரைஸ் நான் வந்து இதுக்கு கீழே வச்சேன்னா, so this is an order block, right? Order block. In the top wick to the body of the candle. See this?
அதுக்கு ஸ்டாப் வச்சுக்கலாம்.
அதுக்கு கீழே நான் வச்சிருந்தேன் பிரேக் ஈவன்ல. ஏன்னா என் ரிஸ்க் இருக்கிறதுலே லோவஸ்ட் ரிஸ்க். லைக் என்னோட இப்ப ரிஸ்க் ரிவார்டு பாருங்க, என் ரிஸ்க் ரிவார்டு நான் இப்ப இந்த இடத்துல க்ளோஸ் பண்ணனாலே எனக்கு 1:5.29 ரிஸ்க் ரிவார்டு.
நீ பண்ண வேண்டியதெல்லாம் என்னன்னா, உன்னோட மாடல்ல உனக்கு
1:10 ப்ரோ.
இல்ல ப்ரோ. நீ உன்னோட மாடல்ல கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ பில்ட் பண்ணிட்டு, லாட்ட உள்ள போடுறது தான் உனக்கு
லாட் எனக்கு இப்ப நான் என்ன பண்ணணும்? நான் எவ்ளோ லாட் போட்டு இந்த மூவ் புடிச்சேன்னா, நான் இன்னும் ட்ரை பண்ணிக்கிட்டே தான் இருக்கணும் பே அவுட்க்கு.
ஏன்?
ஏன்னா கன்சிஸ்டன்சி.
நான் அப்படி சொல்ல நான். காமனா சொல்றேன்.
ஜஸ்ட் 2 லாட்ஸ் எனஃப். நான் எனக்கு $500 ப்ராஃபிட் முடிஞ்சுச்சு. இல்லையா $200 வின்னிங் டே எனக்கு முடிஞ்சுச்சு. ஜாலியா போக வேண்டியதுதான். இப்போ நான் பண்ண வேண்டியதெல்லாம் கெட் டு தட் லைவ் அக்கவுண்ட். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி கெட் அ பே அவுட். அவ்வளவுதான் நான் பண்ண வேண்டியது எல்லாமே.
பேஷண்டா வந்துட்டு ஒரு 200 300 பே ப்ராஃபிட் கொண்டு போயிட்டு இருக்காங்க.
படியோட கிசால தான் வந்து எனக்கு இன்னைக்கு நல்ல நாள். நாய்க்குட்டி ப்ரோ. சாரி. இவங்க வந்து மான்ட்ரியால்ல இருக்காங்க. சோ ஷீ இஸ் ஆக்சுவலி a trader. இவ்வளவு பேர் ரிப்ளை பண்ணலையா? ஆனா ஷீ இஸ் லைக் ரிப்ளைங் டு மீ. ஏதோ நல்ல ட்ரேடர் சொல்லிட்டு அப்படின்னு அவங்க தான் சொல்றாங்க. நான் சொல்லல. Are you on the call finally? Oh no, I wasn't.
YouTube லிங்க் கொடுங்க.
I'm gonna listen to music. You got pushes in the way. They let me know my cup and I got ice up on my chains. You can't do anything in my lane. You got pushes in the way. They let me know my cup and I got ice up on my chain. Bro. உங்களோட லைவ்ல மியூட்ல இருக்கா வால்யூம்ல இருக்கா? மியூட் பண்ணிருங்க. ஏன்னா காப்பி வரும்.